Good night, stars above. Time for rest, sleep with love. Close your eyes, dream so sweet. See you tomorrow when we meet. Hello, bye-bye, thank you too. See you again with something new. Keep on learning day by day. Fun with English, hip hip hooray.
Thank you for watching, my friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.